In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Moltbot or the Clawdbot using your terminal and OpenAI. By the end, you'll have the bot installed, configured with your API key, and ready to run in the channel you prefer. First, head to the official page for Moltbot or the Claude-based bot. Make sure you're on a trusted, up-to-date source so the command you copy is accurate and safe. On that page, scroll down until you find the Quick Start section. You'll see a one-line command there. Go ahead and copy that entire code snippet exactly as it appears. Next, open your terminal. On macOS, that's the terminal app. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. With the terminal open, paste the code you just copied, then press Enter. This command will automatically download the necessary files and install everything on your computer. Keep your internet connection stable and don't close the terminal while it works. It's normal for this part to take a little time, so just let it run until it completes. When the setup tool launches, you'll be prompted to confirm you understand the terms or notices. Click Yes on the I understand prompt to continue. From here, choose the Quick Start option. This path streamlines the setup so you can get up and running with sensible defaults. After that, choose Reset. This ensures any previous settings are cleared and you start from a clean configuration, which helps avoid conflicts if you've experimented before. Next, select OpenAI as your provider. Then pick the option for the OpenAI API key. When prompted, type your own valid OpenAI API key. Keep this key private and never share it publicly or on-screen recordings. The tool will store it locally so it can authenticate your requests. Once your key is set, choose the model you want to use. If you're unsure, the default or recommended stable model is a good place to start. You can always change it later as your needs evolve. Finally, choose a channel. A channel simply means where you plan to interact with the bot. This could be directly in the terminal or another supported interface. Pick the one that fits your workflow best. That's it. You've copied the Quick Start command, installed the tool, confirmed the prompt, selected Quick Start and Reset, connected OpenAI, entered your API key, chosen a model, and selected a channel. If something doesn't load right away, give it another moment, then rerun the Quick Start command.